Hey everybody, thanks for joining us at InfoComm 2023 here in Orlando. My name is David Schmidt, Director of Business Development for Display Devices. What we're looking at here today is one of our brand new projector enclosures. This one is built specifically for the larger projectors of, up in the 40 to 50,000 lumen range. What she's focusing in on there is some of the applications. These are used for permanent installations of often projection mapping events. That particular event was in Denver, Colorado at the DNF Clock Tower, but we do these all over the country, even all over the world, and we certainly do a lot of these in Orlando with the likes of Disney and Universal. So we do these in all sizes. We do enclosures for all environments. So this is just one of the many things that we do here at Display Devices. For more about these enclosures and some of the other things we do, visit us at displaydevices.com. Thanks for joining us.